people whose marriage lasted less than a year. What went wrong? We expedited the marriage because she was pregnant and I already loved her, so I wasn't concerned about it. I was working crazy hours so she could stay home with the baby, and our schedule started shifting, meaning we didn't spend as much time together. She developed postpartum depression and began playing online role-playing games all night. During this time, she met a guy who didn't work and lived off his mother, so he had plenty of time to talk to her. Long story short, she kissed our daughter, gave her to me, and ran off with him. Fast forward over a decade, and we're fine as friends now, and my daughter is cuddled up beside me as I type this, playing on her tablet. The karma is time and lifestyle haven't been kind to her, and our daughter would rather be with me and trust me more.